the Hero 4 Silver, the Hero 7 Black, 8 Black, and 9 Black. Let's test out the quality of them. GoPro Hero 4 Silver. All quality will be set at 2.7K. Now the Silver can only record in 30 frames per second, while the other ones can record in 60. So this is 30 frames per second. This is the Hero 4 Silver. GoPro Hero 7 Black. $2K, 2.7K at 60 frames per second. This is the Hero 8 Black. This is the GoPro Hero 9 Black with the Max Lens mod installed. All GoPros, I customized the settings to my own personal liking. Now, my honest personal favorite is the Hero 9 out of all of them, but you guys can take a look at the quality and picture and everything and decide for yourself. But the Hero 9 with the Max Lens mod is definitely my favorite, especially for outdoors. And for fun, this is the Canon G7X digital camera. So let's just add this quality in here too. Which surprisingly, it's pretty good, but when you move around fast, it does get a little blurry. But it is a good camera. Definitely not good in low light situations. And there's a couple other things that kind of bug me with this camera. But it's a decent camera. But as you can see, as you move around, it's a bit shaky.